To resolve the Zelle app error A106, there are 3 primary reasons to consider. Firstly, it's essential to check your internet speed, as a slow connection can cause this error. You can do this by searching for speed test on Google and selecting the Run Speed Test option. If your internet speed is less than 2 Mbps, it's likely that your internet is too slow, and you'll need to change your connection to fix the error. If your internet speed is satisfactory, the next step is to clear the app's data. To do this, go to the Home layout, hold the Zelle application, click on the info icon, and then select the storage option. From there, choose to clear all data and confirm by clicking OK. This will remove all data associated with the Zelle application. After clearing the data, reopen the application, log into your account, and the error should be resolved. If the issue persists, the final step is to check for updates. Open the App Store, search for the Zelle app, and install any available updates. This should fix the error.